quartile of the given set of observation. What is the equivalent of third quartile when we are talking on percentile? 75 percentile. Okay, so the data, you're going to arrange first. This is the arrangement. There are 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8, 2, number 9, and 10. How many observations do we have? How many observations do we have? Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, from this observation, what is the value of the median? Sunny, what is the value of the median? Median, or the quartile 2? 7. Okay? This one. Okay, that is the value of our median. Now, we're going to find the third quartile. What is the value of the third quartile? This is the upper value. So what is the value of the third quartile? Kilmil? 8. Okay, so this is 8. That is the value of third quartile. What about the value of the first quartile? Oh, what is the value of the first quartile? 6. Okay. So this 6, right? This is the first quartile. Now, using the formula in finding the third quartile, like the position is the L, we have 1 over 4, isn't it? Why 1 over 4? Because we are talking on quartile. Multiplied by n plus 1. L is referring to the position. So we're going to calculate the third quartile using this formula. Why we need to use 1 over 4? Because this is quartile. But this is 3, right? Third quartile. So we change that into 3 over 4. Very good. Multiplied by, there are 15 observations, right? So 15 plus 1. We have 3/4 multiplied by 16. So the answer is 12 because this will be cancelled out. Become 1, 16 become 4. 3 times 4, the answer is 12. The 12th position. The 12th position, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Exactly. The third quartile